Hi, Reese here with the Transform U 360 Rotary Nose Ear Trimmer. This is part of a 3-tier range of nose ear trimmers from Transform U. We have the 360, the 2-in-1, and also the 4-in-1. Let's open up this one and take a look at what you get inside. Inside the box, you get the trimmer itself, plus a protective cap for the top, AA battery, which powers the unit, and cleaning brush for maintaining the blade. Taking a closer look at the unit itself, it has this soft grip rubber finish, which feels really good in the hand and means no slip or slide for use in the bathroom. On and off is with a simple switch on the front, up to turn on and down to turn off. Cleaning is easy, simply twist off the top blade, rinse under the tap, use the cleaning brush as needed, a bit of oil on the blade, and then reapply to secure. The Transform U 360 Rotary Nose Ear Trimmer is available now at your local shaver shop and online at shavershop.com. Thanks everyone.